In this video I'm going to show you how you can unblock your Uber driver account. What we want to do is just load up our web browser on the phone, and here I've just Google search for Uber support. Click on the first link that says Uber help, and it's going to take us to this page. You will be required to log in with your Uber driver account here, and we're just going to select driving and delivering. Now once we have selected this, we will scroll down until we see all topics, and we're gonna click on account and app, and then we will select I need to contact support. Here's how we fill this out. We will need to type our name on our Uber driver account, our phone number, and then we will select other. After we have selected and toggled other, then we can describe our issue here. So we'll say my Uber driver account is locked, so on and so forth. Please reactivate it, and then we will submit this request and check your messages here on the same website, and they will tell you what you need to do in order to get your Uber account reactivated or unlocked. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.